Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Hafe, this is Cherry Pie. And it says, very thank you to everyone. It's amazing the amount of work that went into this truck. There it is, Cherry Pie. It's a Kenworth, folks. And it is meticulously restored. Look at the inside of that truck. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's a sleeper in the back there. We got a chrome floor even on there. You got it says Sweet 73 on the side there. You can see there's been a lot of work done on this thing. Telling her story, excuse me, ensuring her future, telling her story. Yeah, they did an amazing job on this truck. Cherry Pie, she's got the red, super cool lights on there. It's like brand new tires and stuff. And there's kind of a story too. It says legacy, honor, beauty, and power. There's some beautiful pinstriping on the back, some lights in the bottom. There's the gas tank. And then there's the interior. Okay. And what we have here is the owner of this truck.
You don't want to forget the inside of this boat, so go ahead and take a look.
Okay.
Yep, I'm going to look at the back wall.
Cherry Pie. It's meticulous, folks. Beautiful. Okay, and now, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Kate Whiting, and I'm from Chautauqua, Wisconsin. And this is Cherry Pie. She's a 1973 Kenworth A. She's got a 3408 motor in here.
Oh, you got the, she opened up the hood for us. That looks beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So that's a V8, isn't that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I bet you.
And as the hood shows, you got to see the top of the wheel well there. So she's got the cat in her. She's not a kitty cat, she's a cougar.
That is awesome.
Okay, and then she's got twin sticks. 7 and a 4 twin sticks.
Wow. The interior is beautiful.
And then the double eagle bunk.
Double eagle bunk. Okay.
And a new way suspension.
New way. Wow. You can't start it up, can you?
Oh, sure.
You could?
Yeah.
Because I know these sound beautiful, these Cat V8s. It's got the turbocharger on it. Beautiful. Could you give it a little gas once? Please. That's probably the best 73 in the world. All right. I want to thank you for your time and starting it up and all your hard work.